So you guys, I'm at the flamingo right now. There's the flamingos over there, but I'm more interested right now in the hummingbirds. So there's actually some hummingbirds over here. I don't think I've ever gotten hummingbirds on film before, or like I've never recorded them. I think I've gotten a picture of them a long time ago, but there's a lot of hummingbirds over here because they have the little food thing. And there's one little hummingbird I noticed that's protecting. He's protecting or like fighting the other hummingbirds over the food thing. He's right here. He's trying to fight them. I don't know if you can see him or not. You guys see him? See how he's fighting? He doesn't like the other hummingbirds getting the. If another hummingbird comes over here, he gets mad and he goes over here and he gets in their face. There he is. And I'm really actually close to him. If you see, look, I'm right here, and the hummingbird is like right there. They're really small birds. They're only like this big. And I want to show you again because he's gonna fly off when another hummingbird tries to get some of the nectar. He gets off of his little branch and he shoos them away. Like I said, he gets in their face, and he doesn't want anyone else getting the nectar. We have to wait here for a few more minutes though for another hummingbird to come by and try and get some. So I can show you what I'm talking about. Right now, I think I did capture it though, because one came by and he kind of got in the face or whatever. But yeah, I'm really close. But I'm really close to him. I saw someone else come over here and get real close to take pictures and everything. So I'm gonna wait a few minutes here, and I'm gonna start recording again when another hummingbird comes by and tries to get some nectar. And he's gonna come off and he's gonna fly in their face. Look. He's sitting on the little branch right there. He's waiting.
Oh yeah,
What he does is he's waiting for other birds to come and try and get some. Then he gets in their face. Yeah.
We have a hummingbird feeder at home, and they fight. They like sword fight. It's so
Oh,
funny.
they do. Oh, I'm trying to get it on camera.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. They sword fight.
He's a big one.
Oh
yeah. He's a big hummingbird.
Yeah, he gets in their face, man. So hopefully we can get them like sword fighting or something like that, which sounds pretty cool. So as they said, that one is big and he's actually pretty small from what it looks like to me. So they must be really small. Most of them. I'm still waiting for another one to come by. I wonder how close he'll let me get to him to record him. Like I said, I'm super close to this tree right here. I'm not zooming in, so. Hey, he lets me get really close. Wow. He's letting me get that close? Yeah. I guess he's used to people coming by. Right. I saw some other people right now taking pictures of him.
The only bird in the world that can fly backwards.
Oh, yeah, like a helicopter. The only bird in the world that can fly backwards. Oh, look, here's one right here trying to get some. But I guess I was standing in the way, so maybe see him right there. I was kind of in the way, so maybe they were going to fight. Here we go. See, he got off. One tried to come over here and get some. He wants all the nectar for himself. All the nectar. Like, that's not your nectar. That's my nectar. Wait, I don't know if I can see him. Yeah, I got very close. Now he flew up there. Now hopefully he's not gonna. Now hopefully the other ones won't see him and they'll try and get some.